Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Shih Tzu Grooming Kit is probably one of the most sought-after products for Shih Tzu owners who want to keep their furry friends looking and feeling their best. This video will cover everything you need to know about choosing the right grooming kit for your beloved Shih Tzu, from essential tools to helpful tips and tricks, ensuring your dog's coat stays healthy, shiny, and tangle-free. Number 5. Gimars 5-in-1 Grooming Scissors. These pet grooming scissors are crafted from high-quality 4CR stainless steel with a ceramic coating. The blades are incredibly sharp, ensuring a smooth, snag-free trim every time. Notice the rounded tips. They're designed for safety, preventing accidental pokes and scratches while grooming your pet, especially around sensitive areas. These scissors are ergonomically designed for comfortable handling, even during long grooming sessions. Your hands will thank you. This 5-in-1 set includes straight, thinning, and curved shears, a grooming comb, and a convenient storage case, everything you need for a professional-looking trim. We stand behind the quality of our product. Enjoy a 3-month unconditional return policy and our professional after-sales support if you have any questions or concerns. What we like? Its sharp blades cut through fur effortlessly, while the rounded tips ensure your pet's safety. The ergonomic handle makes grooming comfortable, even during long sessions. If you value precision, comfort, and safety during grooming, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Worked good around the eyes, the cut quality was good. They're pretty good. They're sharp enough to cut through the hair easily. Until very recently, I had 3 dogs, and 2 of them, a miniature Schnauzer and a Great Pyrenees, need a lot of grooming. I've been grooming my dogs for years, but I only purchased this set, which includes curved scissors and the thinning shears, recently. They make grooming much easier, and they help you do a more professional job as well. Number 4. SCEDREAM Dog Grooming Scissors. Unlike ordinary scissors, these are designed with safety round tips, protecting your pet, especially around sensitive areas. They're perfect for even novice groomers. These grooming scissors are ergonomically designed for comfortable use. Made of high-quality stainless steel, they're sharp, durable, and rust-resistant. Grooming your pet at home saves money and strengthens your bond. With these scissors, you'll develop a new skill and enjoy quality time together. The set includes thinning, curved, and straight scissors, a stainless steel comb, and a waterproof case. Each tool is designed for specific grooming needs. We're confident in our product's quality. If you're unsatisfied, contact us anytime for assistance. These scissors are a great alternative to noisy clippers, especially for anxious pets. They allow for calm, safe trimming. These scissors are ideal for various breeds and sizes of dogs and cats. Give your pet a professional-looking groom at home. To keep them sharp, simply wipe the blades clean and add a few drops of oil after each use. They'll stay sharp and smooth for years to come. What we like? This grooming kit prioritizes safety with its rounded tips, perfect for sensitive areas. The ergonomic design ensures comfortable handling, and the sharp blades provide a clean cut. If you're a beginner looking for a safe and easy-to-use kit, this one's for you. What people say. Very good sharp scissors for my hairy dog. These, especially the metal comb, are a game-changer for my Shih Tzu Teddy mix. Since the costs of grooming are rising, I thought I would hop on the computer and teach myself. I think I did a pretty good job considering, and these scissors are nice and sharp with good finger grips. Number 3. Hicozy S1 Plus Dog Grooming Vacuum. It's whisper quiet at only 50 dB, yet powerfully removes pet hair. Grooming your furry friend has never been easier or cleaner. With its large 2L dust cup, you'll spend less time emptying it. The one-touch dust removal system makes cleanup a breeze. This 300W motor delivers 12 kilopascals of suction. The HEPA filter traps 99% of hair, keeping your home spotless. It comes with everything you need: slicker brush, electric trimmer, scissors, nozzle, cleaning brush, and 5 guard combs for all hair lengths. Trim and vacuum simultaneously for a truly professional grooming experience at home. The cordless clipper can also be used separately. What we like? Groom your pet quietly and efficiently with its low-noise motor and powerful suction. The multiple attachments cater to various grooming needs. If you want a clean and stress-free grooming experience for both you and your pet, this is the ideal option. What people say. This is the best grooming set for all types of dogs. I have 2 labs, a mini Australian Shepherd Blue Heeler mix, and a small Schnauzer Terrier mix, and it works great on all of them. Our terrier has super fine hair, think cotton ball, and the suction of the vacuum makes clipping her hair so much easier than using just clippers. It's compact, light, and not loud at all. Number 2. CADABY 5-in-1 Dog Grooming Kit. This kit is designed to make pet grooming easier and safer. It includes everything you need for a professional-looking groom at home. The rounded tips prevent accidental scratches. Groom your pet's delicate areas like the face and paws with confidence. Made of high-quality Japanese 4CR stainless steel, they provide a smooth, efficient cut. Say goodbye to tugging and pulling. The comfortable grip and adjustable screw make these shears easy to use. The rubber bumper reduces noise and keeps your pet calm. This kit contains straight and curved shears, thinning shears, and a comb, all in a convenient leather case. Everything you need in one place. Give the gift of easy grooming. It's also a great choice for pet owners who want professional results. What we like. The rounded tips prevent accidental pokes, while the sharp blades ensure precise cuts. The ergonomic design fits comfortably in your hand. If you need a reliable and comfortable grooming kit with a focus on safety, this is a great option. What people say. Having 3 scissors and a comb in one kit is great, makes it very easy to use. Very sharp, but blunted ends to protect my little guy from accidental pokes. The scissors seem sharp enough. They're heavier, more solid, substantial than I expected. I was able to just comb through under eye area and it removed the eye stuff easily. Number 1. Oneisall Dog Clipper. Say goodbye to noisy grooming sessions. This clipper is designed to be whisper quiet, so your pet will stay calm and relaxed during the entire process. It's incredibly easy to use, even if you've never groomed your pet before. The included guide combs and quick startup make it a breeze. It features sharp, stainless steel blades for an efficient trim, but it also has a 3-layer safety design to protect your pet's delicate skin. Cleaning is a snap. The cutter head is easily removable and rinses clean, keeping it ready for your next grooming session. For over a decade, it has been a favorite among pet owners. Join the millions who trust it to keep their furry friends looking their best. For pets with long, thick fur, we recommend a quick pre-trim with the included scissors for optimal results. What we like. This clipper's low-noise motor minimizes pet anxiety, while its user-friendly design makes grooming a breeze. The safe blades protect your pet from harm. If you're looking for a quiet and easy-to-use grooming solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The clippers are quiet and powerful, making the grooming process much more comfortable for my furry friends. It worked so good. I ended up doing her whole little body. Works amazing well. Very lightweight. Came fully charged. No problem going through my Shih Tzu's 4-inch coat. Small enough to do a fantastic job on the feet and pads and the face, but tough enough to do the body. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.